What do you think about tattoos?
That's good. Thank you.
I want to do.
Hi, it's Victoria Rose. That's right, my name is Victoria Rose. I'm gonna start saying that instead. Okay, that's it. It's changed. It's all changed. Very elegant, refined Victoria Rose. I went to Japan. You guys know this. I also have a lot of tattoos. You guys also know this. I also don't wear like the most clothes in the entire world. You guys already know this too. When I went to Japan, a lot of you guys were saying, whoa, you should cover up. You're offending everybody. Do you realize how hot it was there? I almost died from sweating. Yes. Stop looking behind me, it's a mess. So we're gonna talk about the Japanese and what they think about tattoos. I went out on the streets in Japan. And I asked people, along with the help of my friend, because I don't speak Japanese. How do you say hug?
Just say hug. Just say hug.
Ikemen?
Yeah, I love you.
What do you think about tattoos? What do you think about tattoos on gaijins? I'm gonna show you some clips of what they said, like real people, what they said. I didn't really think about my tattoos or anything like that as being a problem. I don't ever really think about it because it's not something I think about. And a lot of you guys in the comments were like, what did they think about your tattoos? Or you're like, you're so disrespectful, you should cover up your tattoos, blah, blah. So the thing about Japan, it's a very contradicting place and it's kind of confusing with the way you're supposed to be there and stuff like that. The people who did comment on them actually liked them a lot. There was this older man, probably in his 80s or 90s? No, 80s, in the train. He started talking to us and I'm like, oh man, I hope he doesn't say anything about my tattoos, but really he's like, you're beautiful, those are beautiful, and you know, I've been to America before and blah, blah, and it was so sweet, and it was just like, it feels so good whenever the older generation, especially in the Japanese culture, can appreciate, you know, like me and like my tattoo work and have an open mind like that. I didn't film that, obviously, but we did go out in the streets and ask younger people what they think about tattoos.
Tattoo you like?
I don't like tattoo.
You like tattoo?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's because he's say Yankee. Yankee. Yeah. I'm Yankee.
I'm at Womb right now. It's one of the most famous clubs in Tokyo. Thank you.
She's needy and clingy, don't worry. You stay the whole night, 5,000 yen, it's actually quite cheap. And then it's no Pikachus allowed.
No Pikachus allowed. What the fuck? I'm not going in this one. There's no Pikachus allowed. How are you supposed to get turned on without Pikachu? Can't fuck without Pikachu. What the fuck?
Nihonjin desu ka? Nihonjin. So like tattoo.
Tattoo かっこいい。
思いますか?
じゃあ本当にかっこいい。
Yes? Thank you.
So 怖いですか?
かわいいかわいい。
怖いですか?
怖くない。
怖くない?
かわいいかっこいい。
So he's like, it's not scary, it's cute.
ハグいい。
Yes.
かっこいい。
Arigato.
すごい。
A lot of you have said that tattoos are super like offensive to the Japanese, but in all honesty, it's not.
Yeah. Basically, we walked past those guys and they said sugoi, which means awesome.
Yes.
And then I asked him, is it scary? And he's like, no, it's really cute. It's really awesome. The reason that the Japanese would have a problem with tattoos is because of the Yakuza gangsters there have a lot of tattoos. You know, I'm not a Japanese person, I'm a foreigner. They're not gonna expect things out of me that they would expect out of other Japanese people. Some of them think that it's kind of scary. What do you think of my tattoos?
Cool.
Really? America Jin, they say very, very bad in Japan.
Sad. It makes me sad.
What do you think? 思いますか?
That's okay. Is it scary?
怖いですか?
No.
No? It's good?
You like?
Good?
Japanese tattoo. Babori koi. Japanese fish.
Yes.
Japanese history little but.
Why? Like Yakuza?
Yeah.
Yakuza. Gaijin tattoo 思いますか?
No.
Oh.
Gaijin tattoo is okay.
Yeah.
Oh. ありがとうございます。
Arigato.
本当に? Oh, ありがとう. Hello.
Hey, world!
What do you think about tattoos?
That's good.
It's cool?
That's so cool.
I really like your hair color smart.
Thank you.
I wanna do.
Done.
What?
Done.
Why don't? Why don't?
Done.
Why?
Don't stop.
Keep the couple together. Keep the couple together.
They're cute, right? Very cute.
Kawaii.
So what are you researching?
Oh, she's YouTuber.
Vlogs. She's feisty.
So like,
I love animals. He says that my tattoos are cool.
oh,
Yeah. It's nice meeting you guys.
it's okay, guys.
It was okay. I had a really good time in Japan. I didn't have any bad experiences there. Of course, I wouldn't be allowed to go into certain places, certain hot springs and stuff, but we didn't try to go in those anyways because you're not allowed, whether you're Japanese or foreigner, to go in with tattoos. Any tattoos at all, even if it's just a small tiny one, you're just not allowed. Leave some comments below of any questions that you might have that I can answer or anything you just want to say. I don't know if you guys notice or not, but I really do respond to most comments. If you guys want to help me out with more travels, I have a way. If you're gonna shop on Amazon, you can just use the link that's below in the description and it helps me, and then you just shop as normal. I also have links to everything else down below if you want to check that out. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Goodbye, I love you very much. You go first. No, you go first. I don't have time for this, bye.